Hi guys, in today's video I am going to show you how you can create a GIF on the actual Canva app. Very easy guys, very simple. So first thing that you want to do, you want to create a brand new file, new project, or if you have something that already exists, you can simply upload this to the actual page. So the main scoop over here guys is that when you're creating this, you want to make sure that you include elements that will change the variable on this one. So for example, if we click on our original image over here, right, and if you want to change the background color to, let's say, let's scroll down and look something fun. So for example, we can pick up this one, right, and then we can essentially add another page, and then we can simply click over here, then copy, and then essentially go to the second page, and essentially we can paste, right? So not perfect, of course, but the main idea over here is that you have two images, and on the second image we want to change the background color. So this is where the magic will happen. The main idea over here guys is that you have two images which are, in our case, have to be completely the same, okay? And the idea is that you change the background of both images, right? So this will create this special effect in which you will be able to see how the both designs are actually changing, okay? So you will see how the both colors are actually shifting, and this will give us a different perspective. So for example, we have these both colors, right? So now if we click here on the timer, we see the small timer over here. So now we can essentially make the timer even smaller. So you can make it as a 1 second timer, okay? And you can do to apply to all pages, right? And then when you click play on the upper side, you see how the GIF actually plays out. So you have one and you have two. This is how simple it is guys to create a GIF on Canva. The main idea over here is that you want to create as many images that are same as the original design, but they have a different background, which will essentially make the GIF look more real. For more tips and tricks like this guys, subscribe and follow for more.